Hello guys, happy Christmas to you. Hopefully this video is out before Christmas. I did say I won't get a chance to do one, but I found a couple of hours, so I'm down my local beach and I'm going to be cooking something totally random, really random, in a random place as well. So hope you join me for it. Well, you are joining me, you're here, but I hope you stay. Ostrich. Told you it was random, didn't I? Right, change of plan, guys. It is drizzly as hell, so I'm gonna go and find a shelter somewhere a bit better to cook, because it's that rain what gets you wet. I know it's a silly thing to say, but you know what I mean. You know exactly what rain I mean. And I bought my down jacket and I was gonna bring waterproof to go over top of it, but I thought it would pass, but if you look, it's definitely not passing. So let's go and find a shelter. It would have been nice to cook on a jetty, something different, but it is difficult to film with wobbling around everywhere. Look, it's wobbling around everywhere. Catch you in a bit. This looks as good a place as any. It'll do, and it'll keep me dry, and at least I can sit down. Good thing about the bad weather, there's not many people about, so don't look such an idiot. Oh, someone behind me now.
Good one. Sorry.
Getting in the shot. There's more dogs than people about at the moment. It went out. Oh, no, it's not, it's lit. There we go. So yeah, ostrich fillet. Not very big. That's what she said. But it is a fillet. Fillets are generally small, aren't they? When you get a beef fillet steak. So yeah, so ostrich fillet steak. 2p per pack donated to charities protecting wild lion populations. Doesn't really help the ostrich, does it? Neither am I eating it. And I've got someone's walking past. And I've got potatoes and sprouts, because it is Christmas. Ostrich and sprouts. That's what Christmas is all about, isn't it? You can smell those sprouts. You'd smell them later as well, no doubt. You know what I mean. Yeah, I parboiled them but they're pretty much cooked. If anything, they're overdone. So they shouldn't take long, a few minutes to fry them up with the ostrich. Let's get cooking. So I've recently got to 500 subscribers. My last video I said I wanted to get there before Christmas, and it is before Christmas, so really happy with that. Over 512 I think it is now. I had massive help from Kerry from Drunk on Wonderlust. She put a post out on Instagram trying to get me to 500. I didn't ask her to. She's a sound girl, fair play to her. Check out her channel, it's a great channel. If you're looking at her channel, but you're probably watching mine. Sorry, other way around. If you're watching my channel, you're definitely watching hers. So yeah, and Mr. Wild Wales, he put on his community post on YouTube, he put a post to try and get me to 500, and I promise I didn't ask any of them. So thanks guys, I really appreciate it. And check out his channel as well. He's an awesome guy, awesome channel. Check him out, check it out. Check him out if you want. Another Welsh lad as well, but he's from the other end. He's from South Wales and I'm from North Wales. Thanks guys, really appreciate it. Hope you enjoy my videos, all you new subscribers what are here now. So it's nice to get a bit of content out for you, because obviously you probably haven't seen in my videos if you come straight from their channels. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Lovely jubbly. Should be 2 to 3 minutes each side for the steak. Should be enough. Give it a touch more oil. Smells lovely. Let's flip her over. Let's have a beer. Elvis Juice by Brewdog. It's only 5.1%, but I am picking the kids up later, so I shouldn't really have anything too strong anyway. Grapefruit infused IPA. Right, this is ready. Probably a little bit overdone. Lovely. Right, let's plate it up. Simple as that. Oh, lost the spud. There we go. You can see that. Mmm. Yum yum. Another swig. See how this is? Smells nice. Let's try a bit of the ostrich first. It's not too overdone, it's actually alright, it's quite pink. That is really nice. I put too much salt on it though. Let's try a spud. Sprout. Definitely put too much salt on. Really nice. Get that in focus. Probably should have rested it a little bit, but it'd go cold, wouldn't it? Sprouts, potatoes, and ostrich. My little version of Christmas dinner. Right, guys, I'm going to chuck into this, and I will see you in a bit. Cheers. Happy Christmas to you all, and New Year. Hopefully this video will be out before Christmas. Leave no trace, clean plates, always. Tide's gone out a bit now. A mate of mine just came walking past, so I was having a good chat with him for about 20 minutes. Good to see you, Steve, if you're watching. Oh, look at that.
What score would you give me that for that, Mr. Wild Wales? That's gotta be. It's gotta be a 9. It's gotta be a 9.
If you watch his channel, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's gotta be a 9, that, mate. Dogs everywhere. Mince pie for pudding. Lovely, bit flat, bit squashed, but still nice. Right, guys. Right, well, I want to fill my mouth full. Right, it's gone. Right, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Something a bit different. I had to get out. I had a few hours spare. Bloody dogs everywhere. Yeah, I had a few hours spare, so good to get out, cook something up, something a bit different for lunch. And I hope you all have a lovely Christmas and New Year. And I will see you in the New Year. I doubt I'll be doing another video before then. So I'll see you next year, 2023. Hope it's a good one. Cheers for watching, guys. Take care. See you guys.